In this tutorial, you will learn how to set your Bebop 2 for its first flight. First, install the propellers by placing them on the motors. The polarized propellers should help you. Lock the propellers using the supplied mounting tool. Download the Free Flight 3 app for free on your tablet or smartphone. Insert the battery by sliding it forward into the latch located on the back of the battery makes a clicking sound. Press on the on-off button of the Bebop. On your tablet or smartphone, go to Settings and activate Wi-Fi. Then choose the Wi-Fi network of your Bebop 2. Launch the Free Flight 3 app in order to connect your drone. Make sure that your Bebop 2 is updated. If it's not, follow the instructions given by the application. At the end of the update, you will be asked to restart your drone. The rebooting should take about 2 minutes. You'll have to calibrate your drone's magnometer before its first flight. To do so, reproduce the movements shown by the app. You are now ready to take off.